We have a combination of AI software, hardware, material science, and overall a complete solution. And with that, we're changing the way dentistry works in the digital landscape, be it in the clinician level or the technician level. Using our technology, we've made it possible and accessible to both technicians and clinicians, whereby they can afford these technologies and these solutions. They can bring high quality dental restorations with the best possible accuracy in the market. We envision a future where the technology is changing the relationship between the patients and the clinicians. And we're using our technology both in software, hardware, material science to enable a future which we could only imagine before.